Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best P8 HD 8K is probably one of the most exciting advancements in consumer drone technology, boasting an impressive 8K wide-angle camera that promises breathtaking aerial footage and unparalleled clarity, making it a top contender for anyone looking to capture stunning visuals from a new perspective. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting your drone journey, this device aims to elevate your aerial photography and videography game to professional levels with its advanced features and user-friendly design. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo Drone. This drone is incredibly lightweight, weighing less than an apple and fitting in your palm. Its compact design makes it the perfect travel companion for capturing your favorite memories. Experience stunning 10 km HD video transmission with excellent anti-interference. This allows you to fly farther and see clearer than ever before. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time, giving you ample opportunity to get the perfect shot. It can also withstand level 5 winds and take off at high altitudes, ensuring stable footage. Get closer to your dream shot without the risk. The 4x digital zoom provides flexibility and convenience when switching between different compositions. With just a few taps, automatically record and shoot professional-level videos. The app helps you create impressive content with soundtracks and filters, ready for social media. This compact and convenient drone transforms how you capture memories. It's designed to be your go-to for any adventure. What we like. This drone is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel. Its OcuSync 2.0 technology offers impressive long-range, stable video transmission. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to carry and provides excellent aerial footage for your adventures, this is the one. What people say. The camera is excellent and the gimbal is outstanding. No matter how fast you are flying or how crazy, the gimbal is always catching a great view. This drone does not have collision avoidance, which I wish it did, and those sensors would be the only reason I would upgrade to a new drone. The 4K camera quality is simply amazing. The creme de la creme. Number 4. Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial scenery with its 1080p HD camera. The wide-angle lens helps you capture every wonderful moment from a unique perspective. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with its powerful modular battery. Explore more of your surroundings without interruption. This drone is designed to be foldable and comes with a carrying case. It provides complete freedom to create wherever you go. Operation is more streamlined and safer than ever thanks to automatic takeoff and precise hovering. Enjoy more fun with one-key high-speed rotation. It's a must-have for beginners with intelligent functions like emergency stop and altitude hold. Enjoy long flight times for every practice session. Control your flight with just your voice or simple gestures. This makes flying even more intuitive and fun for everyone. What we like. It features an adjustable 1080p HD camera and intuitive voice gesture controls for a fun and easy flying experience. If you're a beginner or looking for a drone that's simple to operate with unique control options, this model is a great choice for capturing everyday moments. What people say. It has relatively large brushed motors that give it surprising zip in high-speed mode, and enough kick to handle mild winds with relative ease. The app is intuitive and easy to use. I think it's cool how it tells you your total flight time and number of flights. The drone is perfect for beginners. I am having a blast learning how to fly the Holystone 440 drone. There is no GPS, so the skill you develop for stability is all your own. Number 3. DJI Mini SE Drone. Weighing less than a smartphone, this drone is incredibly light. In many regions, you can fly it without registration, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Designed for creators on the go, its ultra-portable form factor lets you capture life's moments in unforgettable ways. Take it anywhere and create stunning visuals. Enjoy more time in the sky. Thanks to its light weight, it stays airborne longer than comparable drones, offering up to 30 minutes of flight on a single charge. Capture breathtaking 12MP photos and 2.7K HD videos. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures incredibly stable and smooth footage, even in challenging conditions. Fly with confidence even in windy conditions. It can withstand winds up to 38 km per hour and take off at high altitudes, ensuring stable footage wherever you explore. Even if you're new to drone flying or video editing, the intuitive app provides templates to create amazing videos with just a tap. Turn any moment into a social media hit easily. What we like. This drone is exceptionally light, meaning you likely won't need to register it in many regions, and it offers a generous 30 minutes of flight time. If you're a beginner who wants a hassle-free entry into drone flying with stable footage, this is an excellent option. What people say. Super easy to use. I changed the controller settings to setting 3, which mimics most video game flying controls, like GTA for instance. And immediately I was a natural. It has a great range, a good camera, it's just under 4K and doesn't lag at all, and is forgivingly durable. The 2.7K video and freeze frames are very high quality. If you need to make prints, then take the digital snapshot so you get the large digital photo file. Number 2. Ruko F11 GM2 4K Drone. Introducing the Ruko F11 GM2, a drone designed for adults. Capture stunning 4K photos and videos with its advanced gimbal and EIS stabilization. Experience smooth, shake-free footage every time. Enjoy an incredible 96 minutes of flight time with 3 included batteries. This drone supports quick charging, so you can spend more time in the air and less time waiting. With level 6 wind resistance and powerful brushless motors, this drone can handle challenging conditions. Fly with confidence up to 6,562 feet, capturing breathtaking aerial views. Experience stable, real-time video transmission up to 16,404 feet. Its upgraded digital remote controller ensures a reliable connection without Wi-Fi, so you never lose sight of your flight. Equipped with GPS, it automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost. This beginner-friendly feature ensures you'll never lose your drone. This drone comes in an exquisite, durable carrying case, making it easy to take anywhere. It's the perfect companion for your adventures and an ideal gift choice. What we like. With an incredible 96 minutes of total flight time across 3 batteries and a 4K camera with gimbal stabilization, this drone is built for extended aerial photography. If you need a drone that can handle challenging conditions and capture high-quality, stable video for longer durations, this is your best bet. What people say. The camera quality exceeded my expectations for the price, clear video, sharp photos, and solid range. Battery life is also better than expected, giving me plenty of flight time before needing to recharge. Overall, this drone feels well built and reliable. The video is incredibly stable, and I'm really happy with the results. The battery life is insane. Between the 3 batteries that came with it, I was airborne for over an hour, total combined time. It's extremely steady and precise and takes amazing pictures with lots of features that some name brands don't have for this price point. Number 1. Velcase VGO Foldable Drone. Introducing the Velcase VGO Foldable Drone, your perfect companion for aerial photography and videography. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to kids, offering an intuitive and fun flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone captures breathtaking photos and videos. Connect to the Velcase VGO app for real-time FPV and share your adventures instantly. Enjoy features like one-key takeoff landing, optical flow positioning, and altitude hold for stable flight. It's packed with functions that make flying easy and enjoyable for beginners and kids. Control it with your voice or gestures for hands-free operation. Explore advanced features like 3D flips and waypoint flying for an exciting and dynamic experience. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. With 2 batteries included, you get up to 26 minutes of flight time, ensuring more fun and less waiting. This drone comes with everything you need, including propeller guards and spare parts. It's designed for safe and reliable operation right out of the box. What we like. This drone offers a 1080p HD FPV camera and advanced features like optical flow positioning for stable flight, making it very beginner-friendly. If you're a beginner or looking for a fun, easy-to-fly drone with a good set of features for learning and capturing videos, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The 1080p HD camera captures super clear and vibrant footage even when it's up high, the detail is crisp. It folds up neatly and the case it comes with makes it perfect to just grab and go for a weekend trip or a hike. The brushless motors make a big difference. They're quieter and handle light wind way better than other toy drones we've tried. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.